Hello my Totodile family and welcome back to Totodile Tales Shorts. We are hunting the Charizard again, and yes, this time I am actually filming. The last video I went and I took I guess they're all white code cards, aren't they, in this one? I went and I took a photo instead of filming, and then I got halfway through and realized I wasn't filming. So, Arbok, Hop, Rotom Phone, Galarian Zigzagoon, Charizard, Charizard. Thank you very much for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.